Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume in this one. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. We say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above the 55-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 55, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 55 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance is just simply where the price stopped going up today and the party stopped right up there at 60 cents. So let me squeeze this down. We may have to go to another time period. I can't remember. I think it's been quite a while since, yeah, the price has been up this high. So not quite. Almost. I get it. The price is hard to see here, or I should say the chart is hard to see, but that's a good problem to have because it just shows that the price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. So after 60 cents, next couple levels right there at 62 cents. So 60, 62, next level of resistance. But all in all, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, let me zoom this in here. What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let everything else take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and building those higher lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.